Hey guys, it's Cody Fultz here with a great video on how to jailbreak your iPod. It doesn't matter what generation your iPod is, whether you're using an iPad, an iPhone, anything like that, this will work for all of it. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go to Safari, Firefox, Internet Explorer, whatever you have on your computer, basically just any internet search engine. You need to go to Google, type in red snow, use a 0 instead of an O when you're spelling snow, um, type in red snow download, and enter. Okay, so now you want to go to 0.0, you want to go to OSX daily download, and you scroll down a bit. It should have the download right here. So you just click download now. Click here to download your attachment. Okay, so I already have this downloaded, but it'll just continue downloading right here. So you can just open it up. So you can close out of that now. What you need to do is you need to open up Red Snow. Okay, so if you need to have your iPod connected at this point. So your iPod, iPhone, iPad, whatever. And right here, it will say connected iPod Touch 3rd generation 5.1 or iPad 4th generation 5.6, whatever, it doesn't matter. As long as it's showing that your iPod is connected, you'll be fine. So what you need to do is you need to go up here and click on jailbreak and install Cydia. It will walk you through it right here. What you need to do is you need to press the top left corner button on your iPod and turn it off. Wait till it says slide power off. Now go ahead and do that. And the bottom right here, once this disappears, go ahead and click next and follow the instructions and steps it has for you. So you need to hold the top left corner button down for 3 seconds, hold the power button and the home button for 10 seconds. Now release the top button, keep holding the home button for as long as it tells you to. Unless, like this, it starts a little fast, starts downloading things, you can go ahead and set your iPod back down and you won't need to really touch it anymore. So now it is rebooting your iPod, starting it back up. It's going to start installing everything. Okay, so now it's going to ask you this. To start with, I would just install Cydia and enable battery percentage. Once you start getting familiar with your jailbreak, you can start installing custom bundles, but not until you know Cydia well. So now you're going to click Next, and it's going to reboot it again. You should see something that looks like a RAM drive on your iPod screen. It'll say downloading jailbreak data under it. Okay, now we'll be scrolling through a system of codes and devices on your iPod. So your jailbreak is finished. Unless you get this note right here. So for the rest of you who didn't receive this note, you're all good, you're good to go. For those of you who do receive this note, the jailbreak for this device is currently tethered. This means in order to make any use of any JB programs, you must use the just boot tethered right now option of Red Snow every time you reboot the device. Even if you've just applied the jailbreak, you must now go back and just boot tethered. What this means is that you're just going to have to go back and do a real quick couple steps. Just press back. It'll bring you this. You need to click on just boot tethered right now. It's going to walk you through it again. Wait till your iPod is finished with the other jailbreak, though. It'll only take a couple minutes. Okay, now once your jailbreak is finished on your iPod, what you need to do is you need to follow the instructions again, turn off your iPod. This one will take way less time now that you've already done everything else. Slide power off. Once this message is gone, go ahead and continue. Press next. Hold the top left power button for 3 seconds. Now hold the home button for 10 seconds while holding the top left power button. Now release the top power button, but keep holding the home button for as long as it tells you to. Okay, now you can let go of your iPod, set it back down on your desk, and let it do its magic. It's going to be doing all this stuff. Now you should see a pineapple instead of an apple on your iPod's reboot screen. It should be a pineapple with a bite out of it. See how it says. Now the rest of the process takes place on your device. You're done. So it should take about 3 minutes now, and your iPod is all set, all good to go. It will bring you to your home screen. Cydia and Winterboard will already be installed, and you can start messing around with those. Okay, have fun, guys. Oh yeah, and by the way, check out my other YouTube videos. My screen name is Shades and Smarties. I have a bunch of other tutorials on how to fix error messages, anything like that. So if you have any questions, leave comments in the spaces below, or go check out my other videos. Alright, thanks guys.